Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will need a plastic bag, a screwdriver, and a new printhead. First, we turn off the printer from the back. Next, we remove the dampers one by one and place them in a bag. Once done, we set them aside. Then, with the help of a screwdriver, we remove the 3 screws holding the printhead. Push down the plastic covering the data cable. Gently push the tab to release the inner plastic. Next, we remove the printhead. We disconnect the cables. Connect the cables to the new printhead. When connecting the cables, ensure they are straight. Then, place it in position and screw it in. When screwing in the printhead, make sure it lies flat. Place all screws without fully tightening them, adjusting them lightly. Once everything is in place, level the printhead and tighten the screws evenly. Reattach the protective plastics. Afterward, take the dampers out of the bag and reinstall them in the correct order. Finally, turn the printer back on from the rear.